In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active list in HubSpot CRM. We'll build a clean, dynamic segment you can use across emails, tasks, and workflows, and I'll explain what each choice means so you're confident as you go. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, open Contacts, then choose Lists. This is your home base for organizing contacts by criteria that matter to your team. Click Create List to begin. You'll be asked to choose a list type. Pick Active List if you want the list to update itself automatically as contacts meet or stop meeting your filters. This is ideal for automation and any ongoing campaign because it saves you from manual upkeep. Static List is also available, which captures a fixed snapshot of contacts at one point in time. That's best for a one-off, send, or a temporary audience. For this tutorial, we'll go with an active list. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team understands the purpose at a glance. Names like 2025 new leads or Facebook ads leads are great because they include a time frame or a source. Consider a simple naming convention such as channel plus stage plus date to keep things consistent as you add more lists. Next, add your filters. Click Add Filter and choose the properties or activities you care about. Common choices include lead status equals new, life cycle stage equals lead, create date is this week, or original source equals Facebook. These help you zero in on fresh, relevant contacts without pulling in your entire database. You can combine filters to refine your audience further. For example, if you're building a hot leads list, set lead status equals qualified and last activity date is within the last 7 days. Use the and or options to control whether contacts must meet all conditions or just one of them, and keep your logic simple to avoid unexpected results. As you build, HubSpot shows a real-time preview of matching contacts. Take a moment to scan the count and a few records. If something looks off, adjust your filters until the preview reflects exactly who you want. When you're happy with it, click Save. HubSpot will finalize the list and keep it updated automatically as new contacts qualify or existing ones fall out. Now put your list to work. You can send targeted emails, assign tasks to sales reps, or enroll the audience in workflows for nurturing and follow-up. Revisit your filters periodically to keep quality high and use clear naming so your growing library of lists stays easy to manage.